we can see on our USD Swiss franc for some, we like say a weeks now, I think 2-3 weeks now, we've actually been having a fall on our USD compared to our Swiss franc, by the way. As we can see, a massive fall, right? Taking out this our lows here, as we can see an M movement, an M pattern, by the way. We've actually had this M pattern. We saw our price pushes up again, and we saw our price fell, and guess what, it has broken above it. And what we are seeing here is a retestment, a pullback to retest our area here where our price broke below. And guess what, for the week we are actually aiming for a fall again on our USD Swiss franc. That is exactly what we should be aiming for. Now let's see it on our USD index. On our USD index, by the way, we've done an analysis on our index, by the way. This is possibly our price to come below, push up a little bit, and break below, closing bearish for the week. We would want to see our USD index to close bearish for the week. That means our USD index would be falling this week. So that is why it will reflect on our USD Swiss franc, that our USD to our Swiss franc would close bearish, would fall below and close bearish on our USD Swiss franc. So that is the analysis for the week. Thank you.